Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Cher and I'm going to share how to draw a chibi using Medibang Paint. This application is free and you can download it on Play Store or App Store. Why do I use Medibang Paint? Well, it's because I'm comfortable with this app. Okay, now let's open the app. This is the home page of the Medibang Paint app. Let's choose new canvas to create a new image. In this section, you can specify the canvas size you want to use for drawing. I always choose A4 size for drawing. The color of the canvas I use is always white. This is how the canvas that I made look like. It's easy enough to determine the canvas size if you already know what you want to draw. If you have determined the canvas size, then select Create to enter the new page. And this is how the canvas for Medibang Paint looks like. And now it's time to draw something. This time I will share you how to draw a chibi of this person. This precious person. That's right, it's Jungkook, golden magnet of BTS. He's so cute. Okay, let's end this fingering show and let's start drawing. Alright, first of all, I set my pencil at size 10 with black. Oh, I almost forgot, at the very top, this is the line tool. There are many line shapes that you can use instantly and neatly. And this is the setting, and this, I don't know what this is. And the last one is this. This is what we need, layers. Okay, here I will create 4 layers to start drawing. The first layer is for sketch. The second is second sketch. The third is the inking. We just write the ink. And the last but not least is the color. Let's go back to the canvas view and create the head. Chibi has a very big head, and that's what's make it cute because it looks like a baby. The irregular oval is enough to give a shadow to the head. Next, give the center line to determine the location of the eye and the direction of the head. The vertical line is to limit the presence of the eye. Next, follow the line from the circle. Don't follow it too much. It's just a boundary and give a shadow so that your drawing is clear. Then the chibi ears must be made big as the eye letter. There I give some lines for the eyes, eyebrows, and mouth. Next we make a sketch for the body. Make the chibi neck slim and small. Then the body is almost round. This will make your chibi even cuter. Chibi hands do not have to be long, just like a baby. When making eyes for chibi, I always make shapes like this because it's very easy and produces cute eyes. Then after the eyelashes line was finished, I drew circles for the eyeballs, then a very cute little adorable mouth. Wait a minute, I was trying to sketch on the color layers. Well, that's fine, not a big deal. I just need to bring this layer to the bottom, then rename this layer to sketch layers and the sketch layers to the color layers. Voila, as good as new. Once we're done with the basic sketch, we lower the capacity of this layer to 20, then move on to the second sketch layer. This time it's quite easy because the basic sketch already depicts almost all of the chibi. So here we just need to add some details that are not depicted in the basic sketch, and we can also correct the wrong parts in the preview letters. My friend used to say that making hair is as difficult as drawing symmetrical eyes and drawing hands. Yeah, it's really hard, I admit it. But if you get used to it, the difficulty will lessen with time. Drawing requires perseverance and habituation. If you want to start drawing, start by drawing about things you like, then look for references to expand your drawing knowledge. Your drawing doesn't have to be the same as other people's drawing, which you think are best. and better than yours because everyone has their own characteristic to draw. Alright, done drawing the second sketch. Now let's reduce the opacity of this layer to 20 and make the best sketch invisible. Then I change the pencil size to 20, 2 times its original size. In this section we must start to be careful because this will be the outline of the chibi. It's pretty easy here, I think. You just need to thicken the sketch with neat lines. Bolding lines is my favorite part of drawing because it feels so relieved. With just one stroke, I can immediately draw a shape without too many scribbles, but caution is needed when enlarging the picture. In a drawing application like this, it's very easy to thicken your drawing because if it's wrong, we can delete it again. But if you draw using the manual method, even one point being misplaced is very annoying. Finish thickening the line. Now we go to the last stage, which is coloring. This stage is also one of my favorite stage. Color covers imperfection in the sketch, but choosing the desired color is quite difficult, like the color of the skin and the shadow. But like I said earlier, once you get used to it, it will be an easy stage. Wait, did I just color the eye in the thickened layers? Oh, okay, I'll do it again.